Hi guys, welcome back to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the first question that came in Leetcode weekly contest 388. So let's start. So the question is you have some apples, in this case you have 6 apples, and you have to see the capacity. You have to give the number of boxes that will be required to fit these number of apples. Okay, simple question. So what we are going to do is we will do, see, we have apples 1, 3, 2, and the capacity array sum is like 4, 3, 1, 5, 2. You can see that the total number of apples in this case, first case is 1 plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 6. That is equal to 6. Okay. And here you can see that when we use the box of capacity 4 and the box of capacity 2, we will be able to fit 6 apples. Okay. Now let's make the concept the logic by which we will form our code. Okay. Simply, what we will do is we will sort the capacity vector in the descending order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why we did this? Because when we would travel in the capacity box in this order, suppose initially I have a capacity of 5. I know the sum of the apples, the total apples is 6. Sum of the total apples is 6. So when we travel in capacity box, first one which we encounter is 5. That is 5 is less than 6. Okay. So it won't be able to fully fit 6 apples. Now we will travel one further. We will go to 4. Now this box has capacity of 4, like 5 plus 4. Now we have a capacity of 9, and 9 is greater than 6. That will be like sufficient to fit 6 apples. So this is the basic concepts. Like first we have to sort the capacity vector in the descending order, and then we have to sum the capacity, capacity box from last, like this is a counter, to sum it from the last until and unless the sum is greater than or equal to the sum of the apples. Simple. Okay, so let's see the code. The code is simple. First we had sort the capacity vector in the descending order. Okay, then we put a pointer on the starting of the capacity vector. Then this is to sum the number of apples, nothing else. Then as I told you, we would keep on summing it up, the capacity vector, until and unless the sum of the capacity is greater than or equal to the sum of number of apples, and then we will return j once this condition is met. So this is how we do the first question. I will show you if it gets submitted or not, and you can see that it's accepted. This is how we'll do the first question. So if this video was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. With this, bye bye, take care.